Welcome back to day 3 of our 9-month baby meal plan. Today's menu is full of nutritious, balanced meals that support your baby's brain development, digestion, and healthy growth. Let's prepare breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner all with simple ingredients and step-by-step instructions. Look right there. Don't miss out. Take 1 second to subscribe now. Let's start the video. Breakfast quinoa banana porridge soft kiwi mash. Ingredients: quinoa flour 20 gram, water 80 ml, dates paste TSB add after cooking, banana 40 gram cut into finger-size pieces, kiwi 20 gram very ripe and mashed. Bring 80 milliliters of water to a gentle boil. Add 20 gram quinoa flour and stir on low heat until smooth. Turn off the flame and mix in teaspoon dates paste for natural sweetness. Add soft mashed kiwi for extra vitamin C. Serve with banana finger pieces on the side. Quinoa provides iron and complete protein, important for preventing anemia. Banana adds energy and potassium. Kiwi boosts vitamin C to help absorb iron better. This breakfast supports healthy digestion and brain development. Snack 1 avocado plus yogurt cream. Ingredients: avocado 30 g, yogurt 20 grams. Mash ripe avocado until creamy. Mix with yogurt for a smooth, healthy snack. Avocado gives healthy fats for brain growth. Yogurt adds calcium and probiotics for a strong gut. Lunch salmon, sweet potato and zucchini mash with rice. Ingredients: salmon 20 gram, sweet potato 40 gram, zucchini 20 gram, cooked rice 20 gram. Combine salmon, sweet potato, and zucchini in a pot with a small amount of water. Cook until the vegetables are soft and salmon flakes easily. Add 20 gram cooked rice and mash everything to baby-friendly texture. Salmon provides DHA and omega-3, essential for brain and eye development. Sweet potato gives vitamin A for immunity. Zucchini adds fiber and hydration. Rice supplies energy for active babies. Snack to soft fruit snack green apple. Ingredients: green apple 30 gram. Soak the apple in hot water for 2 minutes. Peel the skin completely. Cut into 4 small baby-safe pieces. Apples provide antioxidants and fiber. Soft steaming reduces choking risk while keeping nutrients. Dinner chickpea, carrot and apple mash plus olive oil. Ingredients: chickpeas 25 gram soaked skin removed, carrot 30 gram, apple 20 gram, olive oil 5 milliliters. Soak chickpeas overnight. Remove the skin, boil chickpeas and carrot until very soft. Steam the apple. Mash or blend everything together into a smooth textured meal. Add 5 milliliters olive oil for healthy fats. Chickpeas provide iron and plant protein. Carrots add beta-carotene for vision and immunity. Apple gives natural vitamin C, helping iron absorption. Olive oil supports brain development. Always check temperature before feeding. Offer water between meals to support digestion. Keep textures soft and mashy for 9-month-old babies. Introduce new foods one at a time if baby has allergies. Thank you for watching day 3 of our 9-month baby meal plan. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow for day 4. Your baby's healthy journey continues, every single day, one meal at a time.